Here from Break the Internet, and welcome back to another Snapchat video today on the channel. Now finally we have Snapchat version 10.0. It's been months and months, basically a year since we were in the 9.0, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4. Finally 10.0, and we have a brand new user interface within Snapchat. Now I know for Android users, the beta testers and stuff like that, they've had it already, but for iPhone users, it's rolling out today, probably within the next couple of days, and I believe some people got it yesterday. I was seeing some screenshots of some iPhone users. So anyway guys, without further ado, let's go and jump into the video. If you have any questions, remember to leave them down in the comment section below. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so moving over to the phone section of today's video, once again we have a camera here in my face so I can talk to you beautiful people, and also a camera down here on the phone so we can take a look at Snapchat. So speaking of Snapchat, let's go ahead and open it up for the first time after the update, and it's different. It's a little bit different, but I want you to pause right here, look me straight in the eyes, and I'm gonna tell you right now, don't worry. In this new update version 10.0, no new, really like major new features have been introduced, just a new UI. So we're gonna walk through it. Let's just get into it. Let's do this. So looks a little bit different. Down below is going to be the same with the little chat icon, the stories icon, the memories button, or the memories, I guess, swipe up section, and also the picture and video taking button. But at the top, it's a little bit different. Right here, we have my little Bitmoji man, which Bitmoji is like the name of this, or the middle name of this update, because it's all over the place. We'll talk about that in a second. So the Bitmoji little man right here has actually replaced the little ghost that used to be right here. So that's a little bit interesting. If I click that, it's going to bring me up to where if I swipe down, or where I used to swipe down, you can still swipe, but you can now click the little guy as well. So it's going to bring you to the same little section. So you've added me, added friends, my code, all that good stuff, settings, the trophy icon. But the only thing that's different here is the edit Bitmoji, where we can now change the outfit, we can edit the Bitmoji, and we can also unlink the Bitmoji. Now this screen right here, it's nothing new. They just replaced it. It used to be, or still is, in settings, but this is just a quick way to get to it rather than going to settings and going down to Bitmoji. We can now just click edit Bitmoji right there. So if we swipe back up, we can see that we still have the toggle on and off of the flash. We still have the button that switches to the back and front facing camera. And now the new feature, the search bar in Snapchat. Jumping in here, we see we have quick chat, groups, quick add, and swiping over brings us over to contacts. Now, like I said, Bitmoji is this update's middle name because it's all over the place. So right here, we see we have Allie, Kelsey, Bryce, Tori, Brandy, Danny, all these different people on here that it wants me to quick chat. How does it rank those people? Well, if I go and take a look at my best friends, we can see that I have Allie, Kelsey, Bryce, Tori, and Brandy. So it's going to rank those people that are your best friends. It thinks you want to talk to them, so it's going to rank them right up top. Like I said, Allie, Kelsey, Bryce, Tori, Brandy. So all of them are pretty much Bitmojis. If you don't have Bitmoji linked, it's just going to give you the good old-fashioned GIF/GIF, however you want to say it, on your quick chat icon. Right down below, we have groups. I'm only in one group, and that's the Wolverines. But if you have multiple, you'll still be able to swipe through them, just like if you had multiple on there. Also down here, we have quick add, which is going to suggest people that it wants me to add. Also swiping over brings me to the contacts. And let's go and test out the search button. So I'm going to search for a user. Let's just say I want to search for Danny Burke. Oh, not Danny. Danny Burke, one word. Duh. So if I can spell Danny Burke, right here, you can see that it brings me up to a little section where it shows his Bitmoji, it shows how I have him named, it shows his actual Snapchat username, it shows his Snapchat score, and a little thumbnail of what he recently uploaded to his story. So if I click that, it's going to then again bring me to the quick chats where I can go ahead and use Snapchat like I would usually do. Also on here, you can search for the different publishers or the Discover channels. Let's just say, for example, I want to search Mashable. It brings me up to my friends where it shows me the stories where I can click that obviously and do the quick chat once again, and also to the publishers where obviously they are a Discover platform or Discover channel on Snapchat, and I'm already subscribed to them, but here I can click subscribe, unsubscribe, and it gives you a little option of what they are. So if I click that, it's going to bring you over to the Discover section where I can then go through that, click through that as I please. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the newest feature here on Snapchat, is that search bar, and the rest of it is pretty much all aesthetics. So if I swipe over, you can see that is a new transition. So instead of like swiping over, and once I do it, it's going to fade the camera and it's going to switch to blue, which I think is pretty cool. And then it's more of like rounded up here. And then if I switch back like this, it's to my story section, it's gonna do the same thing, but to purple. And this really new cool like little animation, if I swipe down to reload this, you can see the little ghost, it's a little ghost, he's peeking, he sticks out his tongue, and then he flies off and it changes colors back to purple once it's done loading. So as you can see, the little Bitmoji guy is gonna stay up there, so I can always click that and bring me to the main like section here on Snapchat. So even over here, I can click that and it brings me down to that main button. So pretty much that is it with this new update. Like I said, nothing really huge, nothing crazy. The biggest new feature is that search bar, and I'm probably gonna be finding, like I said earlier, I'm pretty sure I said it, I'm gonna be finding other things within this update. So if you wanna stay updated on that, you can add me on Snapchat by using this code, and on there we can go ahead and connect, and you'll learn everything that you need to know if something arises and some new features come up or anything within this new update. And that is gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, don't forget to leave a big fat like. It shows your support, gets this video out to so many more people that may be confused about Snapchat. Also, let me know what you think about the new update in the comment section below, and also click any of the videos that are on screen right now to check out some other updates, other features that you may not know about Snapchat. Anyway, guys, as always, my name is Aaron from Break the Internet, your #1 stop shop for Snapchat tips, tricks, updates, and everything you need to know about Snapchat. Of course, guys, enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.